Skydel provides an innovative automation panel that quickly gets users up and running with creating GNSS simulations. It simplifies the learning process for new users while providing intermediate and advanced users with powerful tools to take a simulation to the next level. The automation panel records everything that happens in the Skydel UI and any commands issued through the API. These commands can be edited, saved, and played back as a sequence, much like a macro. The automation panel is a great starting point for using the Skydel API. When creating scripts or experimenting with the Skydel API, users can easily see that commands have been received and processed successfully. This visibility into API commands significantly enhances the learning process. To further reduce the Skydel learning curve, a handy feature lets you export the sequence of commands as a Python script. This pre-built script, which can be refined to suit your needs, is a great way to get a head start on a new project. Finally, double-clicking a command provides the associated documentation in text and JSON formats. From creating simple command sequences to building complex API scripts, automating GNSS simulation with Skydel is both quick and powerful. Aurolia has the right solution for your application and your budget with our range of essential to advanced simulation solutions. Visit Aurolia.com today to learn more and request a live demo.